Hey, good morning. Um, this is a new song I've been writing, and I just want to share because I'm super excited about it. Um, cheers to good mornings, and I hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy. I'm not sure what it's called yet, but I'd rather not put the melody in the name of the song. So, here goes. Where I've been writing these songs, it's all the same. In a way I've been coming around, it's been the same. No, I'm not really sure where this train's bound for. So I'll take the long road. Yes, I'll take the long road. So I don't have this verse fully written, so bear with me. Yeah, these cotton fields and these cornrows remind me of a time where Daddy and I just used to ride. Well, Mississippi ain't that far from where I'm going, and Alabama wouldn't be a big detour. And the time goes by, must be every inch in my this ride. Someone take a long road. Someone take a long road. So this next part, I'm not really sure about yet. There's a guitar solo over the top of it, but let me know what you think in the comments or whatever, if I should put it. So just imagine I just went from what I was just doing to this. So it's called I mean, I'm not really sure what I want to call it yet. You know, I'll take the long road maybe. We'll find out. We'll find out later. I tend to put the names at the end. Make the names at the end just to maybe I should try like a less of a summary or something. But yeah, and I may put another verse, but it's already long, and I like everything about it. So cool. Hope you enjoyed, and have a great day. Love ya. Bye.